Part 11. We are going to continue with the perimeter of combined figures. You will find this on page 210 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 9 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's look at subtraction. When they are asking you to find the shaded area, so the shapes overlap or one is inside the other one. Okay, let's look at an example. The perimeter is the distance around the shaded part. Now, if I say example 17a, find the perimeter of the shaded part. There's the shaded part. It's like a star. So the perimeter will be the distance around the shaded part. Now, if you take a circle, I'm just going to show you. If you take a circle and you divide it into quarters. Now, can you see that this part is represented by this part? So basically, this part is represented by this part. This part is represented by this part, and this part is represented by this part. So basically, it was the circumference of a circle. It was just arranged in a different way. So if I must find the perimeter, I can just find the circumference of one circle because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. So to find the perimeter, it's 4 quarters, but it's actually just one circle. So it's 2 times pi times the radius. Now remember, the diameter is 10, but the radius will be 10 divided by 2, and that will be 5. And that's what I substitute there. Okay, I want you to stop the video, and I want you to do try now 17. As soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay, let's start. Try now 17, and it's just number A. Find the perimeter of the shaded part. Let's first mark it. So the perimeter of the shaded part will be this. Let's just redo. I think we can use this first. It will be this. It's a little bit long. Okay, let's try again. It's this. Plus this. Plus this. Okay, so it's a short side plus a long side plus a short side plus half a circle. Can you see that? That's exactly half a circle. So if I must write down a plan, the plan will be, okay, it's half a circle. Can you see half a circle? So half a circle, the circumference of a circle, plus, now this is the breadth, and this, remember, is the length. So how many breadths will there be? So it's actually 2 breadths, 2 short, plus only one long, because I'm just working out the perimeter of the shaded part. So let's start. So this is my plan. Now I write down my formula. Now what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. 2 breadth plus L. This is my formula. Okay, so this is going to be half. This is going to be 2. This is going to be 3,14. And the radius, now if the radius, let me just write, this is the diameter. The diameter will be 50. But the radius, I just want to clean it here. Okay, let's just clean it, but clean it a little bit shorter. It's just that you cannot see. So the radius will be 50 divided by 2, which will be 25. So basically in the place of the radius, I will write 25. So that's the 2, that's the 3,14, that is the 25. Now, what is the breadth? That's 25. And what is the length? That is the 50. And if I work it out, I will get, if I multiply first just this, just multiply it on your calculator, 78.5 plus this is 50 plus the length, which is also 50, and if I add it up, it's 178.5 centimeter, and that will be the perimeter of the shaded part.